It's so important to keep your home up to date, and that includes updating your HVAC, plumbing, and even electrical systems.
Berkeys started in 1975, and we pride ourselves on being established on core values: honesty, integrity, teamwork, and respect. We run a gambit of service calls for our customers. For HVAC, it could be anywhere from installing a new HVAC system to repairing an old one to improving air quality in the home. For plumbing, nobody really likes to call a plumber, but there are a few things that are for comfort, such as a tankless water heater, all the way from clogged drains to slab leaks in the foundation. There are a lot of plumbing issues that we cover. Electrical, from flickering lights to panel replacements to generators for your home. So we have a lot of variety of services available to our customers.
Berkeys follows a unique 3-win approach, which sets them apart from their competitors.
We subscribe to the 3-win strategy, and what that means is the company has to win, the employee has to win, and most importantly, the customer has to win. And the way that happens is we provide options to our customers and let them choose the solution for their home.
At Berkeys, we're committed to customer service, and when we say that, we really mean it. So 100% customer satisfaction guarantee is something we really stand behind. When you couple that with things like our lifetime warranty on new equipment, you simply can't lose when you do business with Berkeys. We give options. There is no such thing as a one-size-fits-all approach to new air conditioning, to plumbing options. So we take a look at everything that they have, we try to write out all the options, give all the pros and cons of each option so that a customer can make the right decision for their own home. So we don't worry about the money, we worry about the experience, making sure that the customer is happy so that they'll tell their friends and neighbors and come back and use us again.
Berkeys is available 24/7, there whenever you need them.
We have a slogan that we're there when you need us, and we want to live that out. We don't want that to be a poster that hangs in a wall somewhere. We want to live that out on every call for our customers.
Berkeys is available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Unfortunately, plumbing and air conditioning and electrical emergencies don't happen when it's convenient. So anytime you call, there will be somebody available to come out and take care of your problem and give you the options that you need to resolve it quickly.
But it's not just about quality service. The community plays a huge role in Berkeys' success.
Berkeys is based in Southlake. I personally live in Southlake, so we're involved in several local charities here in Southlake, as well as being a supporter of the school district here. We started as a small mom and pop company, and as the needs grew in our community, we grew with that. We've become from mom and pop to one of the major players in the Metroplex.
It's time to call Berkeys and experience their high-quality service for yourself. For more information, visit their website, berkeys.com or designingspaces.tv.